you fallen out of love with your home? Is it a source of stress and frustration for you? Do you find that you lose money because you often can't find items that you already own? Well, my name is Nikki Boyd, and I'm a professional organizer and also author of the book Beautifully Organized. The reason why I wrote this book was to give you a resource that you could go to make you fall back in love with your home. In Beautifully Organized, I teach you specific tips on how to assess, declutter, clean, organize, and beautify your space so that you can create beautiful experiences not only for yourself, but for family and friends. We all deserve to have a beautiful home, and my book, Beautifully Organized, is your first step to start the process of falling back in love with your home.